Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. So today's tutorial is how to clean your beauty tools. Please do stay tuned if you are interested. Tell you guys it's very important for you guys to clean your tools at least after you use them, just for to make sure there's no bacteria. If you use your sponges a lot or many times, the bacteria can um, get caught up in the sponge, which will make you break out. So you'll get a lot of pimples and stuff like that, and also your brushes as well. So this is a very affordable way to clean your makeup tools, and I don't think you'll even need to buy anything, because I am using a bar of soap, and I mean everyone have a bar of soap in their house. So please do stay tuned if you are keen for that, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Okay, so guys, after you've cleaned your sponges, I just want to make sure that you always, when your sponges and your makeup brushes, when you do lay them to dry, you need to lay them flat, because you don't want to lay them like this with the brushes like that. Just so that the water doesn't go and lay here in the brushes. So it's really important, if you let them dry, lay them flat, and that will really help you so that the brushes can dry a little bit quicker. So yes guys, this is my tutorial on how I clean my sponges. As you can see, this is really clean, like you've seen how the sponges looked before. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in my next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.